This is my latest Faefolk Quilt Top. I used the Candy Apple Sweetheart fabrics in this one, and I made this version in the Faefolk Quilt Class, which we've just wrapped up. So if you're interested in taking that class, it's completely there, all videos, demos, patterns. I've been excited to finally share it. The colors in this collection are perfect for fall, but what I really love is how the bright fuchsia pops and the soft blue pops against all the warm brown and peachy shades. It gives the quilt that cozy seasonal feel with just the right amount of surprise. Faefolk is a no-nonsense kind of quilt. It's built with strip piecing, so you can sew long seams, press everything flat, and then subcut into units. It keeps your piecing accurate, saves times, and makes the whole process really efficient. The kind of project that comes together without any fuss. I know I say this on every fabric collection, or at least most of the fabric collections, but I love this color palette. These colors are doing it for me right now, and I love the birds and all the tonals in this one. It's so pretty. And again, this is Candy Apple Sweetheart. All right, so the Faefolk quilt pattern is available in both PDF and paper booklet format. If you need a little bit more, like a class, like a self-paced class, we have that. It includes video lessons and the pattern bundled in, and you can either take the class on its own or join the class membership and get access to this class, the pattern, and every other pattern. And if you are interested in making Faefolk but want to skip the fabric pulling, we've also put together several Faefolk quilt kits, including this one I'm showing you today in the Candy Apple Sweetheart fabrics. Right now, before October, because they come out at the end of October, we still have some time left that you can pre-order Candy Apple Sweetheart kit, but we have several different kits for this quilt. So I'm going to put links and everything right below this video, and you can grab a kit already curated, so you can just dive right into sewing. So I really enjoyed sewing this Faefolk in the Candy Apple Sweethearts. It was such a joy to make. I can't wait to see what you create with Faefolk. You'll find all the links below for the pattern, the class, the kits. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you next time.